Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled between lush mountains and a serene river, there lived a wise old sage named Koji. Koji was known far and wide for his wisdom and peaceful demeanor. People from neighboring villages often sought his counsel on matters of life, love, and purpose. One day, a curious young villager named Hiro approached Koji, seeking guidance on the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment. Hiro spoke with earnestness. "Oh, venerable Koji, I see many people surrounding themselves with friends and family, seeking happiness in the company of others. But I wonder, is there value in being alone?" The old sage smiled warmly, his eyes reflecting the wisdom of years spent contemplating life's mysteries. He replied, "Indeed, young one, there is immense value in being alone. Solitude is not a curse, but a gift that holds the key to unlocking the depths of your soul and the universe itself." Hiro was puzzled, so Koji began to share a tale to illustrate his point. In a distant kingdom, there was a mighty tree that stood tall and proud in the center of a bustling city. Every day, people gathered under its shade, laughing, chatting, and seeking companionship. They believed that the tree's charm lay in the joy of being surrounded by others. Yet, as the years passed, the tree noticed a profound truth. Whenever the night fell and the bustling crowds retreated to their homes, the tree found itself in a state of serene isolation. It experienced the peace that comes when all external distractions fade away. In that stillness, it connected with the earth beneath, the stars above, and the whispers of the wind. Through this solitude, the tree learned the beauty of self-reflection and the power of introspection. It discovered its roots, drawing strength from its past, and its branches reached higher, embracing the limitless possibilities of the future. The tree realized that while company was pleasant, it was in solitude that it could truly grow and flourish. Koji paused, allowing Hiro to absorb the tale's wisdom. "Just like the tree," he continued, "you too must embrace moments of solitude to discover the depths of your own being. In those quiet moments, you will find clarity amidst life's chaos, and you will come to understand yourself in ways you never thought possible." The young villager contemplated these words. Slowly, a sense of peace and acceptance washed over him. He thanked Koji for his wisdom and vowed to embark on a journey of self-discovery through moments of solitude. And so, from that day onward, Hiro sought opportunities to spend time alone, wandering through nature, meditating beneath the moon, and reflecting upon the mysteries of existence. In doing so, he found that the more he embraced solitude, the more meaningful his connections with others became. Hiro learned that being alone was not about isolation or loneliness, but a profound and essential aspect of the human experience. It was the gateway to inner peace, creativity, and understanding. And in his solitude, he discovered the harmony of the universe, a timeless truth hidden in the silence of his soul. From then on, the village's wise sage and the curious young villager spent time together in silence, basking in the joy of solitude, and finding inspiration in the quiet wisdom that comes from within. And the legend of Koji and Hiro's friendship spread far and wide, inspiring many to embrace the beauty of solitude and discover the profound importance of being alone.